ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
गजवदना शुभानना
गजवदना शुभानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
गौरीतनया गजानना
मंगलचरणा गजानना
साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई गुरुवंदना सत्य साई
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 गुरुपद रंजन गुरु परमेशा
गुरुपद
परमेशा
गुरुपदरञ्जन गुरु परमेशा
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा
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 सद्गुरु साई परतिपुरीशा
सद्गुरु साई परतिपुरीशा
सद्गुरु साई परतिपुरीशा
सद्गुरु साई परतिपुरीशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई गुरुवन्दना सत्य साई
साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई गुरुवन्दना सत्य साई
गुरुपदरञ्जन गुरु परमेशा
गुरुपदरञ्जन गुरु परमेशा
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा
सद्गुरु साई परतिपुरीशा
सद्गुरु साई परतिपुरीशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
साक्षात् परब्रह्म साई गुरुवन्दना सत्य साई माता भवानी जगदम्बे माता
भवानी जगदम्बे
माता भवानी जगदम्बे
माता भवानी जगदम्बे
ओ माँ ओ माँ माता भवानी जगदम्बे
माता भवानी जगदम्बे
शक्ति प्रदायिनी आनन्दरूपिणी
शक्ति प्रदायिनी आनन्दरूपिणी
शक्ति प्रदायिनी आनन्दरूपिणी
शक्ति प्रदायिनी आनन्दरूपिणी
कात्यायनी करुणा सदनी
कात्यायनी करुणा सदनी
कात्यायनी करुणा सदनी भवानी जगदम्बे
माता भवानी जगदम्बे
ओ माता भवानी जगदम्बे
माता भवानी जगदम्बे
शक्ति प्रदायिनी आनंद रूपिणी
शक्ति प्रदायिनी आनंद रूपिणी
कात्यायनी करुणा सदनी ओ माता भवानी जगदम्बे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
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 हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम राम हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे राम राम हरे हरे
हरे राम कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा।
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
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 मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम, साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा।
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम।
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई।
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा।
साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा।
दीनबन्धु साईनाथा, करुणा सिंधु जगन्नाथा,
दीनबन्धु साईनाथा, करुणा सिंधु जगन्नाथा,
दीनबन्धु साईनाथा, करुणा सिंधु जगन्नाथा,
दीनबन्धु साईनाथा, करुणा सिंधु जगन्नाथा।
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा।
हे शिरडी जगन्नाथा, हे परती जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे शिरडी जगन्नाथा, हे परती जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा।
हे शिरडी जगन्नाथा, हे परती जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे शिरडी जगन्नाथा, हे परती जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा।
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा।
दीनबन्धु साईनाथा, करुणा सिंधु जगन्नाथा,
दीनबन्धु साईनाथा, करुणा सिंधु जगन्नाथा।
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा।
हे शिरडी जगन्नाथा, हे परती जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे शिरडी जगन्नाथा, हे परती जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा।
हे शिरडी जगन्नाथा, हे परती जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा,
हे शिरडी जगन्नाथा, हे परती जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा।
हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा, हे साई जगन्नाथा। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की,
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की,
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की,
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा, आंजनेया बल भीमा,
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा, आंजनेया बल भीमा,
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा, आंजनेया बल भीमा,
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा, आंजनेया बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा,
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
वायु कुमार बल भीमा, वानर वीरा बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा
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 साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेय बल भीमा
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेय बल भीमा
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा
वायु कुमार बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की गंगाधरा हर गंगाधरा हर कैलासनाथ प्रभु शंकरा
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 भवनाशा भवबन्ध विमोचन
भवनाशा भवबन्ध विमोचन
भवनाशा भवबन्ध विमोचन
भवनाशा भवबन्ध विमोचन
सत्य साई शिव शंकरा
साई शिव शंकरा
सत्य साई शिव शंकरा
साई शिव शंकरा
गंगाधरा हर गंगाधरा हर कैलासनाथ प्रभु शंकरा
गंगाधरा हर गंगाधरा हर कैलासनाथ प्रभु शंकरा
भवनाशा भवबन्ध विमोचन
भवनाशा भवबन्ध विमोचन
सत्य साई शिव शंकरा
साई शिव शंकरा
सत्य साई शिव शंकरा
साई शिव शंकरा
गंगाधरा हर कैलासनाथ प्रभु शंकरा
गंगाधरा हर गंगाधरा हर कैलासनाथ प्रभु शंकरा
भवनाशा भवबन्ध विमोचन
भवनाशा भवबन्ध विमोचन
सत्य साई शिव शंकरा
साई शिव शंकरा
सत्य साई शिव शंकरा
साई शिव शंकरा
गंगाधरा हर कैलासनाथ प्रभु शंकरा
पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे
रसने पिबरे रामरसं
पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं
जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं
जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं
शोक विदूरं
सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं
सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं
सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं
सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं
पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं
When I had finished my education in the year 1986, Bhagwan asked me, what would you do? I prayed to him, Swami, I want to set up a hospital, school and vocational school free of cost in a village. He lovingly holds my hand. He said that I will do for you what you will do for me. And then he asked me, go and set up your legal practice in Chandigarh and I will live up to my promise. I was hesitant. I said, Bhagwan, I don't want to go to legal practice. As brother told you, Swami told me the new meaning of LLB. Live and love Baba. He says, if you live on my ideals, you love me. Merely saying that I love you is of no use. Be in the legal profession and live on my ideals. I will take care of you. I came to Chandigarh, started working on setting my legal practice. But Bhagwan was totally living up to his promise. It so happened that I was nominated to a 7 Nations course by Government of India in rural development. I underwent that training. With that, I was able to draw a project report And with that, I returned to Swami. I showed that report to Bhagwan that we will be setting up a hospital, school, vocational school. Bhagwan just smiled at me, looked at everything, took a pen and wrote down the words Sri Satya Sai Gramin Jagriti on that report, signed it, gave it back to me and said, don't worry, I will take care of everything. In my innocence, I tell Bhagwan, we need 27 acres land for this project. He pats at my back and tells me, you don't need land. You need my hand. My hand is always with you. And he gives me Pad Namaskar. That night, I boarded the train to come back to Delhi. And as I boarded the compartment, I found some gentlemen were sitting there. Suddenly they asked me, sir, today evening, we were in darshan lines at Puttaparthi and we found that you were showing some papers to Bhagwan. What was that? It so happened that those people were also present in darshan hall. So I explained to them that we wanted to set up a rural project. And then suddenly these people tell me that, sir, we are from Yamunanagar town in Haryana. Why don't you come to Yamunanagar? We will show you a piece of land. Again, in my innocence, I tell them that, sir, Yamunanagar is more than 100 kilometers from Chandigarh. How will I commute and work? And these people tell me, sir, just now you told Swami's hand is going to do everything. And then I realized, I said, yes, you are right. So once I reach back, I go to Yamunanagar. These gentlemen were waiting on the bus station to receive me. I'm talking of the year 1988-89. So they take me to one village and then we reach the second village. This was a beautiful sight. River Yamuna was flowing by the side. We reached the headman, the Sarpanch. We explained the entire project to him. And suddenly he announces that, sir, we have 27 acres land. We are ready to gift it to you. I told him that, sir, I will go to Puttaparthi, ask Bhagwan's permission, and I will come back to you. He says, don't worry, you sit here. We will pass a resolution gifting you the land, and thereafter you take this resolution at Bhagwan's feet and place it there. Now, by the time they all gather, write down this resolution and hand it back to me, it is then I read the name Village Dadwa on that resolution. Again, in my innocence, I ask him, sir, what is the meaning of this word Dadwa? Because Bhagwan may ask me some question. Lo behold, this gentleman narrates to me the meaning of the word. He says, Darad means snake hole. This was known as land of snake holes. That is why it has been named Dadwa. We all know word Puttaparthi in Telugu also means land of snake holes. Bhagwan was already moving ahead of us. This is what he wanted to indicate. With that resolution, I came back to Parthi. I was holding that resolution. Bhagwan was coming towards me. Suddenly, my fickle mind had a thought that this resolution is in Hindi language. I should have translated it in English before bringing it to Swami. And Bhagwan comes and stands in front of me and points towards the date. Look at the date. When I read out that date, that year, 17 July, was Guru Purnima Day. Bhagwan said, this resolution has been given to you on Guru Purnima day. What is the importance of Guru Purnima, do you know? And then he explains, Guru Purnima means Guru takes a vow that so long as the resolve of my disciple is not fulfilled, sun will not set. Don't worry, go, take care. You just have to remember me, everything will happen. And again, in my innocence, I asked Bhagwan, Bhagwan, should we construct a boundary wall around this land? So Bhagwan just slaps me on my cheek and says, this project is going to be love, service and sadhana. Boundless love. Don't think of buildings. Think of service. Think of seva. You do seva, I take care of the rest. And ever since that day, this is what we have been seeing unfolding in front of our eyes. Bhagwan has been taking due care in every manner, because he has promised, money is my responsibility, morality is yours. If you adhere to my principles, I will take care of everything. Bhagwan has often told us that he is live wire. All we have to do is just cut it, put a bulb, and it will give us the light. So only this much effort we have to do to trap the current, which is always present amidst us. We have heard these stories, how Bhagwan has been rescuing people globally around us. In this project which we have undertaken in last about 30 years, we know that it is Sai alone who's been taking care of the things. It so happened that one early morning, the doctor gentleman came to me and asked me that, brother, we need 100 packets of vibhuti, a 200 grams packet of vibhuti, because now villagers are asking for vibhuti. I told him, I said, sir, I do not have 100 packets, I may be having 1 or 2 packets. He said, sir, I need 100 packets today because the patients are asking for vibhuti now. That day it so happened that I went to the courts. I was about to park my car at a very crowded place. Suddenly I saw a slot vacant. As I was reversing my car and about to park it, in the rear mirror on the road berm, I saw some yellow cellophane papers spread on the road. And it occurred to me that these are vibhuti packets. Then I told myself, no, since morning I am thinking about vibhuti. How the vibhuti packets will come here in the busy court area. I parked my car, locked it. As I was about to walk away, suddenly I turned back. I went to that place and I saw 100 packets of vibhuti spread on the ground. I immediately rushed to my car. I found an envelope. I started putting those packets. One packet was open. I even tasted vibhuti. 99 full packets and 1 open packet. 100 packets of vibhuti were there. I immediately rushed back to my house, called this gentleman, and I told him that this vibhuti has come to me from air courier. I retained a few packets for prasadam. A friend of mine one day called me that he needed prasadam from me. In the evening, he walked into my office and told me, note down the address of the courier. I said, which courier? He said, the courier who delivered the vibhuti to you. I said, who delivered it? So then he narrates this beautiful incident. This gentleman's brother-in-law was a convener of Satya Sai Samiti in Shimla. He was returning from Puttaparthi. In a carton, he had 100 packets of vibhuti. From Delhi, he took a bus to reach Shimla. He was keeping this vibhuti carton on the seat as he did not want to keep it near his feet. The bus reached the Chandigarh bus station at around 12 in midnight. He got down to make a call to his wife that he would be reaching around 4 a.m. He came back and he found the vibhuti carton missing. Some thief had taken it away. All through the journey, he was telling Baba that who is this thief who has taken away vibhuti? He will throw it in some dustbin and all that. But we did not know that the same thief who used to steal butter had also started stealing vibhuti in Sai Avatar. He took away the vibhuti, placed it at a place, opening the carton, where next morning, in a very busy parking area, I was to park my car. He reserved that slot for me, made sure that I would park my car there and collect all the packets of vibhuti. Bhagwan's love, boundless love, endless love, is for all of us to collect. It is available all the time with us. This ocean full of love, all we need to do is just realize that He will never fail in His promise. We all have these endless stories of Bhagwan's love always available with us. How do we make sure that we do not lag behind on Bhagwan's path? Bhagwan says, keep yourself pure. Remember, I am always looking at you. But the question is, are we looking at Him? If we know that our Mother Sai all the time is keeping her gaze on us, is looking at us, what is expected of us? This also was explained to us in a very simple and subtle manner by Bhagwan. During those days, Bhagwan used to walk to our classrooms. It so happened that once he walked inside our classroom. That day, in our management class, we were studying the concept of ZBB, zero-based budgeting. Bhagwan walked in. We were very happy. We prayed to him that Bhagwan teach us. Bhagwan said, I will teach you ZBB today. Do you know what ZBB means? And he said, ZBB means zero-based bhakti. He explained, zero-based budgeting means I have 10 rupees in my pocket. I get up in the morning. I see that I had debt of 100 rupees. I was to give 20 rupees to him, 30 rupees to so-and-so. And I am confused where to spend 10 rupees. On the other hand, ZBB means I have 10 rupees in my pocket. I get up and I say, I make optimum use of this 10 rupees today, unmindful of my liabilities and my other debts, etc. So putting that 10 rupees to correct use is zero-based budgeting. Now Bhagwan explained to us what is zero-based bhakti. He said, get up every day in the morning, tell Swami, Swami, I got up today. Whatever has happened yesterday was my previous birth. Today is my new birth. Guide me, lead me. I do not know whatever has happened yesterday is gone. Today I will be pure. I surrender everything at your feet today. And he says, it is my assurance. Every day you make a new beginning. Remain pure. Make effort to be pure. Make effort to be closer to me. I will take care of you. In this age of Kali Yuga, Bhagwan has given us this assurance that at a mere glance, I will burn away the entire wrong things. We call it Papa Karma. So Papa Nashanam is done by this avatar through his mere glance. All we have to know and believe in him and make sure every day that we are pure. Every day we start afresh. So we surrender at his feet. Whatever we have done the previous day, he will accept that surrender. He will give us another opportunity every day to walk again on his path. This is the promise that Bhagwan has given us. In spite of this promise also, if we do not change our lives, our living, our lifestyle, our working, we continue to harbor those ill wills, those little mundane acts, then it will be hundreds and thousands of lifetimes wasted, because this birth is so special in which we came to Sri Satya Sai as contemporary, where he has given us an assurance that you remain pure, I am yours. This opportunity which has come to us is not an ordinary opportunity. In Vedas, they have declared Darshanam Papnashanam, Saparshanam Mohanashanam, Sambhashanam Jivan Mukti. Each avatar bestowed on its devotees Darshanam, Sparshanam, Sambhashanam, or one of those. This Sai avatar has not merely bestowed on all of us all the three, but has given us Sangathanam, Sri Satya Sai organization, to enable us to work under his umbrella. Therefore, if we are working on his name or working with his name on our lips, and we are sure that we ourselves are not doing anything wrong, Bhagwan will protect us. As the eyeballs are protected by the eyelids, he has promised us. Bhagwan is never going to fail us. During my legal profession, I have come across many tough situations. It so happened that once a lady who had lost her husband and son in a tragic road accident walked up to me produced before me certain blank signed sheets signed by her late husband. And she wanted me to draw a will on the basis of those blank sheets so that she could resist her mother-in-law and her sister-in-law from staking a claim in the property left by her husband. She told me that she has been left with a daughter. She has to marry her off. And she wanted my help. I saw those blank signed sheets lying on my table. Those sheets were lying on my table for the whole night. I was thinking and praying to Swami about what to do. Next morning, I called her. I very politely told her, I said, Madam, I cannot help you because what I would be doing is in plain terms known as forgery or cheating. Sorry, I will not be able to do this. You kindly take away these sheets and go to whomsoever you want to go. But this lady tells me that no, sir, I would like to engage you only. Please tell me what to do. I said, Madam, if you are truthful, I will produce these blank signed sheets in front of the judge and I will tell the court that my client is truthful, she did not misuse these sheets. At least the truth will be on your side. We pursued these lines and were able to produce those blank signed sheets. Unfortunately for us, the other side, her sister-in-law side, had prepared a false will of her mother-in-law and produced them in the court. It so happened that the witness who was to depose in favor of that will came to the court. And when he started deposing in the court, supposedly in support of that will which was forged, suddenly he started narrating the truth. Because I saw Goddess Saraswati manifesting herself on his tongue and he could not lie in the court. He revealed in the court that the mother-in-law was already dead when her thumb impression had been taken on that will. This testimony he gave in the court. So truth will always stand by itself. But we have to practice this. Bhagwan will take care of us because he has said, you shed one tear, I will wipe away 100 from your eyes. I am the one who has specially come in this avatar. Sai avatar is so unique. It is descent of God for ascent of humanity. He has come all the way to take us all to his abode.
काल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।